Okay, hi everybody. This is Mr. Roche. We're here with our JavaScript coding, and what I wanted to do is I wanted to have you guys do a little bit more live sort of practicing. I know we've been using the other the book and things like that, but I think this would help us too. And I want to get us doing it. I wanted to do it last class, and this is kind of where we are. So what I'd like to do is have you set up an account. You could sign up through Google and use your your school accounts to do this. Okay, so if you do this, that would be great, and you would be able to sign up. Now I'm not going to sign up on this video, but basically what you want to do is you want to pick like sign up with Google. Okay. And then I think it just gives you a username, and you're just going to create this sort of free account. I'm not going to do it here because this gets published to the web, but you want you to do it. So I'm going to click this sign in button and then go with the next steps. Okay. So what this does is it gets you a place. It gets you like a little account. That was pretty easy. And so basically, what we're going to do is we're going to I'm going to go to the challenges here, right? And what I wanted to show you was how Edabit works. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure it's set to. You can try your hand at Python or Java or C++ or something like that. We're going to do very easy right now. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to look at this and see what it does. Okay, so what happens is it's going to give you like a little challenge, right? And what happens is in the code tab, you get like a little box where you can code, okay? And then when you check it, it can run, okay? So like, I don't know if we said like alert, I don't know exactly what's gonna happen here. Like that. If I try it, I can check it. And I think it's looking for something else. See, that's bad, right? But let's go back to the instructions, okay? And what it wants you to do is type return hello code edit.com between the curly braces. Okay, see that? Okay, so I didn't do that, but let's go back and do it and see what happens. Okay, so it's going to return hello dot edit.com, something like that. I think I have this right. And then if I check it, it didn't do it right. Okay, so let's go back again. Oh, I forgot to put it in quotes, right? So let's do that right there. And then I think what it'll do is it'll do the work for me. So I'll even copy it because I'm an idiot. And do that and like check it. Okay, and that's what happens. Okay, so then what happens is you do this and then you submit it when it works and everything's great and you get points for it. See, that's really good, right? And you can check this out and just go next challenge. And it'll give you challenges to do, okay? So what we want to do is we want to do this, okay? So I want you to do this, and what happens then is if you go to your, I think it's in your profile, or if you go, let me see. I think if you go here, it'll show you everything you've done so far. So see this? So I've done these so far, right? And what I want to do is just, like, we can prove that we've done them by just doing this, which is great. And do that. Okay, so what I want you to do then is I want you to do how editable works. Okay, this one, right? Okay, go back to the challenges. Do return sum of two numbers. Okay, this is pretty easy. Okay, so do this one. Okay, I'll take a copy of a thing of it. I go back to the challenges, and I'll do return next integer passed. So these three, very easy. Okay. So all these questions are what we want, right? Okay. So we did this one all together, but you do it. Okay. So you make sure it works. Okay. And like these two other ones here. Okay. And then what I'll show you is that you got this much done, and then you can just take a screenshot and show me that you've got these things done when they do it, right? And you should have 15 XP points. So you would take a picture like this and turn it in, okay? And we can worry about getting cooler stuff, okay? But that's what I want to do tonight, so that you have some background to this. So give this a try. We'll talk about it tomorrow, and that's the homework, okay? So talk to you later.